Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm doing another princess tutorial. This one I'm going to try and make quite wearable, but this one I feel like would be wearable either way. I'm gonna be doing Pochahontas today. I don't know if you want to include her. I don't remember if she actually was a princess or not, but she's included if you look at the list of princesses, and I really like her. She's like, that's one of my favorite movies. So I'm gonna be doing that. Now, I said in one of my previous videos I put this on earlier than my makeup so it could sit, but I just filmed a previous video, so I took all my makeup back off and I did not put this back on. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on now. Just going to take some on my finger and then I'm just going to dot it around my face. And then I'm just going to blend it. Thankfully, this particular kind does not take long to blend in and dry down. Some of them take a lot longer than others. If you have time to let it sit, I would do that. If not, it's alright. Next up, I'm going to take my IT CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream, and I'm going to take half a pump of that on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and use that to blend. I'm just going to dot this all over my face. This is a little bit dark for me, so that's why I only use half a pump, but it gives me a good amount of coverage even with that. So really, you could get away with using half a pump and it would last longer and you would still get good coverage. So if you ever buy this, that's a good tip. Next up, I'm going to take my NYX HD Studio Photogenic color. I'm going to take my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Studio Concealer and I'm going to put that on my chin, or on my nose and on my forehead. And I'm also going to take the IT by Under Eye and put that under my eyes. Sorry if my cats are really loud. They are playing and running around. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take my damp beauty blender and blend all of the parts of my T-zone. Then I'm going to take my Sedona 928 brush and use that under my eyes. I like to keep the fuller coverage under my eye, and I feel that the brush keeps a fuller coverage than the sponge. After that, I am going to get started on the eyes. So to do that, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Dream Street Kathleen Lights palette. It's got all these really pretty colors and stuff, and I thought this would be perfect for this look. So I'm going to take a Moda M19 brush, and I'm going to start off with the color Magical on my eyelid. And I'm just going to kind of layer that. Then I'm going to take, after I finish that, I'm going to take Shooting Star and I'm going to run that through the crease. Once I've done that, I'm going to take a Elizabeth Mott blending brush and I'm going to take the color Potion and I'm going to use that to blend out. Potion is one of the most pigmented colors I think that's in the palette. So you really only need like a little bit of it. Mind you, if you want to blend it up more, you can add more, but so once I've done that, I'm going to take a little bit of Twinkle on my finger and I'm just going to like tap that over where I put Magical. Next up, I'm going to take I don't even remember what kind of brush it is, but I'm going to take a smudger brush. I think it's a Verumen smudger brush, that's what it is. Then I'm going to take the color Water Bearer and then a little bit of Mermaid Bay and I'm going to put that under my eyes. If you remember, she has that blue necklace and I'm going to use this to bring that into the look. Next up, I'm going to take a little bit of Moony on my finger and use that to highlight. I'm just going to put it under my brow bone and then in the inner corners. Then, I don't really want to add eyeliner or anything, but I'm going to take my Sedona 561 brush and Elfish and I'm going to use that to line my eyes just a wee bit, not too much. I've already still got a little bit of eyeliner on from the previous tutorial I filmed. So I don't need to add too much. If you don't already have eyeliner on from anything, or if you don't want to use eyeliner, then just get this really close to your lash line. So after I've done that, I am going to go ahead and do my brows. So I'm going to take the Black Opal Brow Shaper Kit and I'm going to put that through my brows. I don't need too much because again I just filmed something, so there's probably still a little bit in them. I'm just going to add just a little bit. Once I've done that, I am going to be taking the Cannonball Ultra Waterproof Mascara from Urban Decay and putting that on my tops and bottom lashes. So once I've done that, I am going to take the It by Pores Pressed Powder and use that all over my face. Sorry if I'm kind of losing my voice, I don't know why. Probably all this weather lately. So after that, I'm going to take the Benefit Hoola Bronzer and I'm going to use that to contour. Then I'm going to use my fingers to kind of blend that a little bit so it isn't so harsh. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Quirky, and I'm going to use an Ulta blush brush and just put that on my cheekbones. Then after that, I am going to take the Glow Milk Beauty Crop Glow Milk Highlighter, and I'm going to use that on my, right above where I put the blush on my cheekbones. I'm also going to bring that down my nose and put a little bit on my forehead, in the cupid's area, and on the chin. Not as much on the forehead and the chin because I don't want to make them look greasy. I'm just going to blend it all with my fingers. After that, for the lips, I am going to take the Maybelline New York, the Elixir in Mandarin. Now, I don't love this lip product. However, the color I thought would go good with this tutorial, which is why I'm using it. So if you can find something else in a color like this, other than this, I would recommend something else. But, I mean, this does work. I'm just going to put that on my lips. The reason I don't like this, by the way, it doesn't last and it smells and tastes gross. So yeah, I'm just not a fan of it. But to each their own. If you like it, that's awesome. So this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you think it's wearable, if it's something you would wear. And let me know if you think it's a good like inspiration to Pocahontas. And let me know if you guys like that movie or not. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!